Today I am going to teach about line configuration. Line configuration means the way in which two or more devices are connected. Two or more devices are connected to a link. And line configuration may be of two types: point to point and multi-point. Multi-point is also called multi-drop. And multi-point, within multi-point line configuration, there may again be two types. One is called temporal and second one is called spatial. So coming on point to point line configuration, so point to point means two devices are connected to a link. Only two devices are connected to a link. In point to point, on both the ends of a link, one devices, that means total two devices are connected. And therefore there is absolutely no sharing of link. And link remains fully dedicated to these two devices. Okay, and for example, connection between TV and remote in our houses. Remote and TV are connected, but only one device on each end. That means on one side it is TV, on second side it is remote. So this is the figure. This is one link, and this is one computer. This is another computer. So both are connected through this link. This is the example of point-to-point line configuration. In second figure, you can see there are three computers which are connected with each other. First with second, second with third, third with first. So here also, this is the example of point-to-point because with one link only two computers are connected. In third figure, you can see there are four computers like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. All computers are connected with each other. But you can see how many number of links are there here: 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 6 links are there. 5, 6. In first, there is one link, and there are two devices. In second figure, there are 3 links and 3 computers. In third one, there are 4 computers. So we can, and one more figure is given. This is showing, that means wireless connection between the two computers. On one end, there is one computer, then there is one antenna, that means transmitter, wireless transmitter, then signal is going through air, then signal is receiving, and there is receiver connected with another computer. So this is how this is wireless connection. This is also the example of point-to-point connection, line configuration. So we can derive a formula, a small formula, that number of links is equal to n minus 1 divided by 2, where n is number of nodes. N is number of nodes. Here there are two computers, so 2 into 1 divided by 2, that means one link is there. Similarly, you can see 3, 4, etc. Second, we come on multi-point line configuration. In multi-point line configuration, what can happen? That more than two devices are also possible to be connected with a link. Not necessarily two devices, maybe 3, 4 also. For example, here you can see this is one link, and one side 1, 2, 3 devices are connected. On second side again 1, 2, and 3 devices are connected. 3 devices are connected on both the sides. This is multi-point line configuration. This one multi-point, which is also called multi-drop. So that means link sharing of link is possible. Here in point-to-point, sharing of link is not possible. That means link remains fully dedicated to the two devices in point-to-point. But in multi-point, link is not fully dedicated to the two devices. Sharing of link is possible. Sharing means, for example, this. Here, 3 computers are sharing the same link. Here also on receiving side, 3 computers are sharing the same link. So this is called sharing of link, and link is not dedicated to only one computer on one end, other computer on another end. Or what is possible is happening in point to point. So I think it is clear. In point to point, line configuration, sharing of link is not possible and link remains fully dedicated. On the other hand, in multi-point, sharing of link is possible, link is not fully dedicated, and in point-to-point, only 2 devices are connected to a link. In multi-point, more than 2 devices are connected to the link. So, this multi-point line configuration may again be of 2 types, temporal and spatial. Temporal and spatial. Temporal means only one user can use at a time. Just like time division multiplexing, this is also called time division multiplexing. Only one user can make use of the link at a time. For example, you know that suppose there is a very, very small tunnel, very narrow tunnel rather, then only one person can pass or one vehicle can pass. So this is the example of time division multiplexing. That means only one user is making use of the tunnel at one time or making use of the channel or link at one time. This is called temporal. And in a spatial, all users may use together. I can give one example. For example, in your classroom, only one teacher teaches at one time. This is the example of temporal. Suppose it is happening that various speakers are saying together to a group of audience. Then this will be called spatial. That means more than one speaker is saying together. Although this is not possible, but for example, एक चौड़ी थाली में 4 लोग एक साथ खाना खा रहे हैं. This is the example of spatial. That means from a that means common place, 3 or 4 people are eating together. That means sharing is being done and all are eating together. Not fully or of course, but partially. But in temporal, what will happen? All will make use of, that means one user will make use of fully. If one speaker is saying, he will only speak and nobody else will speak. So, coming on is line configuration, only one user can use at a time. That means send data at a time. And in spatial, many senders or many users may use together. This is also the example of space division multiplexing. Temporal is example of time division multiplexing. So I think this is the end of this lecture and the things are clear to you. Okay, thank you.
है ना, सोच रही थी पता है